I want to grow to the point where I don't have to charge for photography. Like I want to grow to where like I'm getting paid on YouTube, getting paid on Instagram, shit like that, to where I can do collabs all the time. To where I could do free, because it's my passion. Like I hate having to get, like it probably sounds backwards, like, oh, you'd love to get paid for your passion, but I hate getting paid for my passion because I have to take that money and pay bills with for my passion. You know what I mean? So I'd like to get paid like through like creating content because for my passion, and then I'm okay with sending that money out. But then now I could like, I'm free to do whatever the fuck I want to do. What is up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Taxi. We're back at it yet another one, man. Today we have
your girl Cloudy.
You guys know the vibes. You guys were asking for her since the last episode, so I had to bring her back.
And I'm here.
I know the last episode was a bit quick, you know what I'm saying, but we got into it, man. So today we're here. We got a red shoe, red vibe, red theme. We're gonna go ahead and get her some nice, clean, regular shots, test shots, you know what I'm saying? But you know our test shots turn into real shots. We're gonna go ahead and get the test shots done, and then we're gonna go ahead and get creative and have some fun. Let's do it. Is it even?
Yeah, like one side.
Yeah, this side's puffier than that side.
That's what I'm trying.
Not super, but yeah. Okay, guys, do not shoot me in the foot, right? Hold on, let me get this. Let me, fix it. I'm sorry that the audio sounds like this. I had no intention, you know what I'm saying? I thought that my lav mic worked fine. I thought that it worked fine, so I apologize for the little I'm sorry, y'all. Just do me a favor and watch the video. Even if you like skim through it a little bit, just leave a like or something on it, because I apologize, you know what I'm saying? In order for me to get better equipment, we gotta get monetized, duh. Like, and if y'all help me get monetized, like, you're just gonna help me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm sorry. Get them test shots in. There you go. I've noticed too though, like not just noticed, but like it's easier to shoot melanated skin, like at least for me, than like people who are like lighter skinned or like
people.
It's like hard because like you have to balance the light a certain way. Did the music stop? I guess.
Oh, hey Alexa, play "Welcome to the City." But no, that's what it was. Welcome to the party. It says Siri, Alexa.
Alexa.
Hey Alexa.
Hold it.
Just with the model right here.
Yeah. There we go, you guys. Keeping it nice and tight. There we go. Make sure to move your light as you need. There you go. Hold. Here you go. See.
Oh yeah. Sexy. Sexy. No shit.
Hold. There we go. Yeah.
Up period.
I love the dominant shots. Like these, like right here. It's like a goddess, like dominant shot. Like it's like you have certain dominance on the camera. If that makes sense. Like it's like you're larger than life. Like yeah, it's a larger than life feel. You asked her to play one song. That's why she only played one song. All right, so going up, you guys, 320. Going up to 400. One more time up to 500. Changing my angle around. Guys, get you a rolly chair, bro. On God, when I tell you this rolly chair has been helping me out, bruh. Goodness, bruh. I heard my knees crack one time, and I was like, yeah, fuck no. Never again, bro. I was like, bruh, I can't be aging early. I was like, hell no. I was like, bruh, I'm bending and shit. I was like, bro, my knees cracked one time. I was like, never again. There we go, hold it. Put your head back a little bit. Like, there we go. Yeah, I like this one. Hold it. Bam.
Yeah, front cover.
Right? On some shit. It's been almost 2 years. Yeah, it's been almost 2 years. Cause I've been doing photography now for a year and a half. I started 2022 January 1st. I did it on purpose, so that way, like, that's when I got my LLC. So I said it on purpose so that I could track it.
I got in the industry 1 month before you did.
Yeah, so we've been damn near, yeah. So we've damn near been there, yeah.
I think I should show the tattoo side.
Good.
My favorite side. So
Good.
where's the angle for my tattoo?
This way. So you're yeah, this side, yeah. There we go. I think it's just getting more people. Like, for example, like, I'm always running deals and shit too. So that's why I was like, I don't really, because like, I want to grow to the point where I don't have to charge for photography. Like, I want to grow to where, like, I'm getting paid on YouTube, getting paid on Instagram, shit like that, to where I can do collabs all the time. To where I could do free, because it's my passion. Like, I hate having to get, like, it probably sounds backwards, like, oh, you'd love to get paid for your passion, but I hate getting paid for my passion because I have to take that money and pay bills with for my passion. You know what I mean? So I'd like to get paid, like, through, like, creating content for my passion, and then I'm okay with sending that money out, but then now I could, like, I'm free to do whatever the fuck I want to do as far as, like, you know what I'm saying?
When you said ... I was like, I would put a price on you.
No, I know, you figured. I was like, yeah, and I was like, bruh.
For a collab, I'd actually, like, you know, here.
Cause I was like, yo, cause like, I feel like there's a few people that I know that, like, if hit me up, like for a collab, I'd consider. Like, there's other people, like, it's like, cause like, if the idea is there, I don't mind collabing. That's like my thing.
Yeah.
Like, if the idea is there and it makes sense and I want to do it, I don't mind collabing. You know what I mean? But like, obviously no one wants to hear someone say no to them. But still, it's like, if the idea is there, I'm like, okay, cool. Like, that'd be some cool shit to do. You know what I mean? So that's why, like, I don't necessarily mind it. Like, a lot of people feel like
that. I think I just, like, you know, because I fucks with you.
No, I get you. It's like, oh, I wouldn't want to, do free work. I get what you're saying.
Exactly.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Like, you know, you the homie, so like, I'm
yeah,
you.
I feel that.
Collab is more like.
But then in my head, it was like that, but it was also like this the photographer. I was like, that's what was in my head. I was like, ain't no fucking way. Because I've had people who be like, oh, like, I'm the only photographer they feel comfortable around, so they only want to shoot with me, but they can't always afford my prices. So they'll hit me and be like, oh, like, could we, like, okay, let's make a package that you can afford. You know what I mean? Like, let's make a package that you can afford. And I'm saying some shit like that. And then if it's fire enough, then, like, you know what I'm saying, let's do it. Like, you know, let's make it happen. Cause I had people who even come and I'll do free shoots for just raws. Like, you just get all your raw photos. Like, I'll do shit like that too. It's like, I love to do it. Yeah. You know what I mean? So that's like that's why, like, I want to grow to where I could do that. Cause I hate when someone's like, oh, I really want to work with you, but I can't afford it. Like, even though it's like, to me, it's a cheap price, like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 80 bucks, or whatever. Like, when I'm running the deals, you know what I mean? They're like, oh, but I can't afford it. It's like, damn. But it's like if you can look at it two ways, like, damn, bro, you're cheap. And then you can look at it like, damn, like, I'm passionate about this and I really do want you to, like, make your vision come true. Because you have a fire-ass vision, but you just don't got the budget for it. And sometimes people really don't got the budget. Like, there's time where it's like, where I'm making ends meet, like, just closely on rent and shit. And I understand. You can't afford a $20 meal going out. You know what I mean? There's certain shit you just can't afford. So I was like, I understand it. But it's like, when it's my passion, it's like, I just want to do it. Like, today I wasn't doing shit. I was just editing YouTube videos. I'm like, okay, why not do a collab? You know what I mean? Because, like, I love using my camera. You know what I mean? Content. Exactly.
Even though me and him are, like, controversial low key right now.
But, you know,
we know.
We're working it out. We're working it out. We're working it out. Okay. I don't think we're ever. I don't think it's ever.
There's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.